I made the Pamintuan. I will explain characteristic of black and white film. First, grains. Tiny silver allied particle in the emulsion that react to light, forming the image. Second, gelatin binder. A transparent medium that holds the silver grains in the emulsion and allow for chemical interaction during development. Third, emulsion. The light-sensitive layer containing the grains and binder, crucial for capturing the image. Next, plastic film base. The flexible, transparent substrate that support the emulsion typically made from durable materials. Last, anti-adhesion layer. A layer on the back of the film that prevent light reflection, ensuring sharper image by avoiding unwanted halos. Next, I will explain characteristic of colored film. First, gelatin anti-adhesion layer. Prevent light scattering to maintain image sharpness. Second, anti-curl backing. Keep the film flat and prevent curling. Third, promotion layer. Enhance adhesion between layer. Third, fourth, film base. Provide support usually made of flexible plastic. Next, addition of promotion layer. Further and ensure secure bonding between the emulsion and film base. Next, emulsion layer. Contain light-sensitive silver halide crystal for image formation. And last, gelatin protective coating. Protect the emulsion from damage and maintain integrity.